Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now this is a different one. Today, I think this is going to be a series over time, if I ever feel like it. But this is a different video. If you guys want more of this, tell me down below, or I'll just post videos of it. But this is going to be a new, new thing I'll be doing, which is I'm going to be unboxing rotovers / toy save vehicles. Or any type of things. So in this one, we're gonna see what's inside of this. Is it like this? Yeah, you open it like this. It's like you open it like a treasure box. Okay. You guys don't know what's in this, but I do. Which is like, duh. Oh, shoot. Just imagine that was my hand. Or do I cut it like this? Hold up. God, this is not a good length. Ooh, like this. Then like that. Sorry. Is it like this or was it wrong? It is like this. Oh, I guess we open it like this then. So I think we should open it by the top. Sorry, I can't hold my camera while I do this. So it's pretty difficult. Okay. Now it's these sides now. Okay. I think that's good enough. Take this out. Take this out. Oh my god, there's a lot of packing peanuts in here. I guess you can already see it. Let me just dump all this out. Oh my god. Okay. Every time I think of packing peanuts, I get really hungry. Because it's peanuts. I'm gonna have to throw all this away. Look at all these packing peanuts. Ow! I just cut myself. But we're gonna do this guy. Oh god. Give me a moment. Alright, got the packing peanuts all out of the way. So it's actually better to do this here. You can see what I got. Kind of-ish. I still have to open it up. Where can I set the camera? Can I set it right here? Oh, perfect. Hold up. I guess that's fine. Guess we start taking it out like this. I'll just use my bare hand. That's fine. That was easy. Oh. Now, I'm not looking at the camera, so I don't know what you guys see. Oh, heck yeah. It's here. Let me throw away all this thing away. Here it is. Rotovers caliper. And then you adjust this. How do I want to keep this thing still? I guess it just drags. Or, I don't want it to drag though. Well, here's this. It doesn't have any batteries, obviously. This one's the one with the rumbling. Which the other ones do. Which the other ones do, that's what I meant. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Let me put some batteries in. It takes... Alright. Real quick. Alright, just put batteries inside and now let's see it working. Heck yeah, finally. Looks like that doesn't work.
That's your hard hat. Caterpillar power. Press forward, reverse, or lift lever now. Press forward, reverse, or lift lever now. Shutting down.
That was so good. I love that. Now I do have another one of this, but it's like I don't know what type of it is though. It's like one of those things. The thing goes like that, you know. Let's show it going forward. I wonder why it doesn't go forward. Hold up. Let me take it somewhere that's flat. This spot should be good. Why doesn't it want to go? Well, now it wants to go.
Back it up.
Well, that's great. Now, all I have to do is just open it up and do my thing, and it will work brand new. And I'll hopefully show it in a video. This thing sucks. I hate how it just does this. Can I, like, keep it up here? I don't like it. I don't know. I don't know what date this was made. Is this thing gonna rip? It looks like it. Well, I don't really care. Well, that's it.